sky. I'm trying to figure it out. Moderation. I can't have it. Don't want it. Wanna touch it. That's Kate Lebon's song "Moderation" off her latest album. Kind of like this song. It's a good song for beginners because it has no bar chords. A D A D A D G D A. So it's a whole. Basically, it's D. The verse is a D pedaling to A. And they don't even necessarily play every D. Sometimes. So, it's kind of a loose feel. But then it goes to D to G. Then DA goes into the refrain. Moderation. I can't have it. Goes to D to G and then E minor. Don't want to touch it, A. And then verse begins again. There's like a little saxophone solo, and then it goes through another verse chorus, and then there's just a little part where tethered to this is like a bridge, tethered to her mess, G to E minor, tethered to her mess, back to G, tethered to her mess. Right back into the verse. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.